I do have a fresh student loan. And so my question is, I heard you mention the point about reducing, I guess the length of the time that I would have to pay this student loan back.
Mm-hmm.
I am very, very interested in finding that out. And I did purchase your book, sir, the P.I.L.L method. I did purchase that book. I've started to read it a little bit, but I'm at a baseball showcase with my son right now, and I'm just kind of trying to listen. Whatever I need to do to get to whomever that can help me with that, I need that information.
Terrence, you're going to learn something here. And we're actually getting ready to do is talk myself out of some business. Do you hear me, Terrence?
Yes, sir. I hear you.
Okay.
I'm laughing. I put myself on mute. I'm laughing.
Okay. Okay. All right. And here's why. Do you have an idea of how much you owe in student loans and the interest rate?
Yes, sir. It's $23,000 right now.
Mm-hmm.
I want to say the interest rate is maybe like 3%. It's not really big, but still, it's gaining.
Okay.
It's still gaining.
All right. And did they give you a payment yet?
Yes, sir. They did.
Okay. So what's your payment per month?
It's going to end up being about $300 and some a month.
$300 a month. Okay. So here's what we've got. I've got a $23,000 student loan at 3% at $300 a month. Here's what I wanted you to know. Being in education, okay, you can make payments for 10 straight years. Okay. Even if it's the minimum payment they will allow. Being in education, you can be in their loan forgiveness program.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So, but since there's only 85 payments here, I can cut this down, save you time, and save you interest in our program. Do you also have a mortgage, sir?
Absolutely. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can put it all together. See, here's what most people don't realize, that if you have a loan, because we have people that have not $23,000, Terrence, they have $230,000.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha.
All right. And so in that case, they're going to get about 30 years to pay that off. Okay. All right. And then that payment would be right around at 3%, $969.69. So no matter what you do, okay, no matter what you do, all right. So let's say we can bring this thing down to pay it off. So you say, okay, what is my minimum payment here? And sometimes you can even get what's called a income-based payment. Okay. So you have an income-based payment, and let's say it's less than this. So now the interest cost on this loan, the very first interest cost is $575. $575. Did you realize some people have a payment of like $400 on this loan? That means that's $175 in interest that doesn't get paid every month, that gets added to the loan. Now, even if they were just paying the minimum, which would be just cover the interest every month, then the loan wouldn't go anywhere. And so they said, well, what can you do? Now, with me, you have to pay back the entire $230,000. Okay. With me, you would have to pay back the entire $230,000, but I would save you interest on that $230,000. You see what I mean? Plus, so you pay it off in 5 to 7 years, but you have to pay off the entire $230,000. Do you see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So if we could do this, so if let's say the payment was $575, okay, $575. I'm putting my calculator on the screen right now. $575. And if you're a teacher, or there are people out there that work in professions that you can have your loans forgiven. So $575, okay, times 120 payments, okay, that's 10 years worth, equals $69,000. So if you're in this situation and you have $230,000 worth of student loans, or even $100,000 in student loans, okay, with me, even though you pay it off in 5 to 7 years, you would still have to pay back the entire $230,000. But if you can get in a loan forgiveness program, you can be out. If this scenario holds true, you pay $575 for 10 years, you're out for 69 grand, and then forgive the rest.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I was trying to do, Terrence, talk myself out of work, but I can't because
I'm laughing at you, man.
You are going to have to work with me. Is it a boy or a girl that's playing ball?
Baseball. A my boy.
It's your boy? And what position?
Middle infield guy.
Okay.
Switch hitter as well.
Lord have mercy.
Yeah, man.
Switch hitter. Oh, man. Listen, you need to give us his name so we can watch him come up through the ranks. Because listen, man, do you know that there are folks out there that are major league teams that are drafting high schoolers?
I'm aware, brother.
You aware?
Oh, yes, sir.
All
20
right.
plus year coach. I've been in education 20 plus years.
Uh-huh.
When my first son was born,
Yeah,
I backed off of baseball so that I could do all of his training work.
right.
And like he's some of the greats at his age right now. So he's
Wow.
made a prospect list, a national prospect list. So I mean, I'm just a real humble guy.
Yeah.
Don't do a bunch of talking, just kind of watch and let the work speak for myself.
Come on now. I love that. I love that. So, man, listen, why don't you just go to ice10k.com? Let's take care of your student loan.
On YouTube.
It's actually at the top of the house, Terrence. The link is right at the top of the room right now. We got it pinned up there. You click that business card and you'll be able to select the option that says get a savings and earnings report. And then you'll be able to.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
And if you want to see what we're doing, we are on YouTube. All right. And you would go to the YouTube channel and find us there. And you have to subscribe, man. Go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification bell. Like all those YouTube channel people do. Click the notification bell and then like the videos.
There we go.
All of that.
Definitely make sure to hit that 10K card and grab that savings and earnings report, man. And don't just put the student loan in there too, right, Don? Or you gotta put that mortgage in
put
there
the
too,
mortgage
man.
in there. Listen, man, we can take care of the whole thing in an average, your mortgage and the student loan in an average of 7 to 9 years. Yeah. How's that sound?
Gotcha. Okay, so I think this was required. Yeah, I think I clicked everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, listen, man, thank you for bringing your question to the stage. Do you have another question for us?
No, I'm good, brother. I'm good. I appreciate it.
All right, man. Talk to you soon.
I sent my email and my phone number, and I finished the link. So I appreciate everything.
So once you click on where it says get a savings and earnings report, you follow all of the directions. And then it's going to ask you, let you into a financial page. You put all of your finances in there, how much you owe, what the interest rates are, what the minimum payments are, and a little bit about your income. We will produce a report that tells you the month and year you'll be debt free and how much interest you're going to save.
Gotcha.
Okay. And then we'll arrange.
I appreciate it.
Sure. Then we'll arrange a consultation for you. Thank you very much, sir, for bringing your questions to the stage. All right.
But Don has some valuable information that can contribute to the quality of a person's life. And it only costs you a few dollars. It's his book. Why not get that?
I'm going to go through the P.I.L.L method myself with some of my investment properties. So I'm going to link up with Don, and then I'm going to sit down with him, show him my investment portfolio, and see how I can eliminate interest.